Jai Hind. Welcome to the next episode of Spirit of Change in the Sunbeam School Sarnath's podcast. Today on the show, we have a trailblazer redefining the future of healthcare through the power of innovation and AI. From advancing early breast cancer detection to bridging research and real world impact, our guest, Dr. Deepika Singh, has mastered the art of turning scientific imagination into life saving innovation. I welcome you, ma'am, on the behalf of Sunbeam School Sarnath.
Thank you.
Let's quickly start with the podcast.
Sure.
If AI could give you one superpower for a day, what would you choose and what would you create with it?
Well, I think each one of us is having unique superpower in terms of our strength, the way we are fighting day to day battles. So I don't think I need AI or anything. Even any one of us needs that. And the power that we can use, to use our own inner strength is to convert our dreams into reality. We have our own unique ideas that we have to work on to bring to the, reality part.
Thank you, ma'am, for your marvelous words. A myth about success or creativity you wish more people would stop believing.
Yeah, success is a very relative and misguiding term. Each one of us is battling day to day struggles, and be it a student or a teacher or even a businessman. So success is an individual term. If you have defined as a student, if you have defined certain goals for yourself, for example, for 1 week or for even one day, if you're able to achieve that, you feel inner satisfaction, that is your success. Don't compare ever with anybody else.
And do you think that we should stop the battles, the war?
Yeah, definitely. See, people, the new generation, all of us, even you have got your own unique way of fighting conflict of ideas. You do have, right? So the only thing is we have to convey that to the bigger authorities to solve issues in a more amicable manner. So there will be battles. There have been battles. They are changing the course of history. But if there's a win-win situation for everyone, I know it's a very kind of idealistic situation, but this is how a society prospers. And the guiding factor will be the younger generation.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, if your life's journey till now were a film, what would its title and tagline be?
Well, I strongly believe in Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. We are working towards that. So the film would be Rang De Basanti. Passion, patriotism, it flows into young people's mind, including me. And the tagline I would give a call to everybody is together we can. We can achieve whatever goal for a country, for a state, for a district, or for a school level. Just channelize your resources, and then you will see. I have seen miracles happen. So yeah, that will be it.
Ma'am, what's one failure or almost moment that taught you more than a big win ever could?
Yeah, so during my MTech days, my mother was detected with breast cancer, at a very advanced stage. And that was one failure that I could not, overcome, because of which I've seen many people struggle, and it has changed my way of thinking. Prompt action in every field is necessary for effective results. So that was my changing factor.
Thank you, ma'am, for a marvelous word. Ma'am, now you have to complete the sentence.
Okay.
In 5 years, the world will remember me for?
For bringing in a revolution in terms of not only women's health, but also cancer detection or screening methods, which is a huge problem for the whole society. So we have to this is one of the diseases of I'm working in this direction. So we have to act fast, because thousands, millions of lives are lost every day. And what we need to do is, whatever solutions are available, we have to bring them to the market, to the masses. So that is what.
Okay, ma'am. Now it's time for the rapid fire questions.
Sure.
Are you ready, ma'am?
Sure. Yeah, I'm ready.
What's your favorite productivity tool?
My mind and nature, both.
Morning persons or night owl?
Well, I am a morning person. That is the best part, where I get most of the ideas and I'm fully energized to face the day.
One book that changed your life?
Wings of Fire. Each and every line I have recommended in LinkedIn as well, and various platforms where I've been. Students especially should read at least once. Each and every line, APJ Kalam sir has so beautifully, combined science with spirituality and with inner forces which are driving us to work together. So you should read it. Yeah.
I would love to read it, ma'am. Ma'am, coffee or tea?
I'm a tea person.
Dream collaboration, person or band?
I am a huge admirer of Sudha Murthy. I've been reading her books from the beginning, and how she has balanced her social responsibilities with the corporate challenges. So I would like to, in fact, I would love to meet her in person and collaborate with her.
Thank you once again, ma'am, for graciously sharing your inspiring journey with us. We are confident that our listeners have gained valuable insights as well as moments of joy from your words.
Thank you so much. It has been a pleasure for me.
This is Bhavika signing off. Remain curious, stay motivated, and continue to make a positive difference in the world. Thank you and Jai Hind.